Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. Today we're going to do a quick mint yogurt dip. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get you started. So we're going to be starting with 1 cup of yogurt, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, a 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, a 1/4 cup of mint leaves. We're going to chop all the mint and coriander, chuck that in. Add a good pinch of salt. And we're going to add the juice of 1/2 lemon and 2 teaspoons of water.
I have lemons, see? I buy lemons now.
Hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
I will see you there, or I will see you on another time.